25 writing skills to help you build a successful career. The right writing skills can make you a fortune, and you don't have to be a professional writer to develop these writing skills. If you want to move up your career, grow your business, or get that dream job, or even that scholarship or grant application, you need specific writing skills to communicate effectively on different occasions. So, in today's video, considering how important this is, you will learn about 25 different writing skills that will help you build a successful career. You will also learn valuable tips to improve these writing skills. By the way, if you're new to After School Africa, consider subscribing to this channel to continue exploring opportunities. With that said, let's count down to 25. 1. Basic writing skills. This is everyday basic form of written communication using correct grammar, punctuation, spelling, and vocabulary. If you are able to write with clarity, brevity, and engagement, and then ensure to properly proofread and revise your written content, you will make a good communicator across the different writing skills. 2. Professional writing skills. You've already had someone ask you to help them write a letter to reactivate their dormant bank account. Whether you're sending an email or writing an official letter, you should be able to communicate professionally. This involves effective note-taking, letter writing, email writing, business writing, and other forms of official written communication. 3. Academic writing skills. This is also known as college writing. You need these writing skills to navigate academic works, projects, and research. It includes exposition, persuasion, description, narration, essay writing, and thesis writing. 4. Business writing skills. Businesses need to communicate with customers, shareholders, stakeholders, and clients. Ability to write for corporate communication is a highly valuable skill. This includes report writing, business case writing, press release writing, newsletter writing, analysis, research, and content management. 5. Technical writing skills. This writing skill involves analysis, planning, data visualization, feedback gathering, preparing documents, product knowledge, research, and collaboration. It is required for product documentation and other forms of technical communication. This form of writing requires specific training, and it could give you an edge in your career or profession. 6. Creative writing. You could either be a natural creative writer or a trained creative writer. This skill is a prerequisite for writing novels, writing short stories, plotting, creating characters, writing dialogue, humor, drama, and action. Creative writing skills can land you in a successful career in publishing as an author, in filmmaking, game development, and more. 7. Foreign language writing skills. Being able to write fluently in another language like Spanish, French, German, Chinese, or Japanese, for instance, can open up new opportunities to you. 8. Content writing. Content writing involves writing what people want to read either for information, entertainment, education, or pastime purpose. Content writers are mostly the reason you find millions of results when you search for something on Google. It involves knowledge of how search engine works, good research, editing, and proofreading skills. You should also be able to engage, adapt, and communicate with your audience. 9. Copywriter skills. Have you ever been persuaded to make a purchase after reading a write-up about the product or service? You just had an encounter with the work of a copywriter. The number one job of a copywriter is to persuade the reader to take a specific action. This writing skills requires experience in selling, behavioral psychology, research, marketing, empathy, and product knowledge, and it can make you a fortune. Think about a fortune in every sense of the word. 10. Ad writing skill. There are ads everywhere you turn to, online and offline. They come in banner of different sizes, text of different lengths, and videos of different formats. Someone had to write those short, catchy phrases to grab your attention. Being able to write ads that grabs attention and gets people to act requires creativity, innovative thinking, and ingenuity. These skills can make you a fortune. 11. Editing. Editing is a skill in its own right. This involves copy editing, online editing, final manuscript production, typesetting, and so on. The ability to polish an already written content and make reading it effortless is the work of fine art. 12. Grant writing skills. Grant writing skills are vital to nonprofits and private companies. This involves organization, persuasion, research, persistence, empathy, subject knowledge, creativity, attention to detail, and storytelling. 13. Email writing skills. Email writing is a skill on its own. According to an article on Campaign Monitor as of 2018, there were about 124.5 billion business emails sent and received each day, and about 111.1 billion consumer emails sent and received each day. Going by this data, each person on planet Earth receives an average of 33.6 emails each day. Now you'll agree that a set of skills is required to write emails that get opened and get read. This skill can give you access to magnitude of audience. It includes business emails, mail merges, sales emails, folder management, newsletters, filters, brevity, precision, manners, and consistency. 14. Blog writing. You already know that writing a blog is not just another skill you can have. You can actually build a successful business or a career around blogging skill. It requires focus, engagement, content research, strong work ethic, SEO, and keyword research skills. 15. Report writing. Ability to write detailed report is not negotiable for any serious professional. This involves sourcing, research, analysis, data visualization, interviewing, data management, summarizing, among other skills. 16. Online media writing. In the past, media production was secluded to a handful of trained professionals while the masses were only left to consume media. But not anymore. Today, anyone can contribute to the online media. The ability to write for people and search engines to read is a skill that is super relevant today. This skill involves SEO, subject knowledge, content curation, interviewing, research, digital media writing, and news writing. 17. Magazine writing. Magazine writers, especially for established magazines, command high pay. You should be able to pitch your writing ideas, research, interview, reach out, structure, tell good stories, and networking to stand out as a magazine writer. 18. Journalism. A formal training is required to develop journalistic writing. But in today's digital age, you don't have to spend 4 years in the university to do the work of a journalist. There are online courses to develop this writing skill. Necessary skills required includes interviewing, research, objectivity, meeting deadlines, social media, sourcing, outreach, revising, analyzing, fact-checking, and more. 19. Collaborative writing skills. With cloud computing technologies like Google Docs, Trello, Jira, and MS Word, you should be able to collaborate with a team to work on particular projects. This could involve writing and editing on the go with other people to get faster results. 20. Business storytelling. Businesses need to tell consistent stories to connect with people on an emotional level, and there are people whose job it is to write and tell those stories. This involves branding, sales, and marketing skills, and it is a highly valuable writing skill in the corporate world. 21. Proposal writing. The thought of writing a proposal overwhelms many people, but the task does not have to be daunting. Proposals are written when people need to ask permission to make a purchase, do a project, or write a paper. It's a formal way of putting forth an idea and asking for action to be taken on that idea. You'll encounter this task if you intend to offer any form of business-to-business services. So why not start learning to develop this skill? 22. Social media writing. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. How do you write on social media to get people to pause and interact with your content? If you can write to engage people on social email, this one skill can make an upward career difference. 23. Presentation writing. All PowerPoint presentations are not created equal. It takes creativity, brevity, public speaking, sales, and marketing skill to make a good presentation, and this is an impressive skill to have. 24. Writing computer skills. You should be able to use the different writing software applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Docs, and content management systems like WordPress and more. 25. Code writing skills. This one is for those who have interest in computer language skills like Java, Python, Swift, C++, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Ruby, and many more. The ability to write computer codes to accomplish required tasks is among the most in-demand skills today and will continue to be so in the future. You can build a successful career writing computer code. There you have 25 writing skills that can help you build a successful career. The good news is that you can develop any of these writing skills. There are many online courses on each of these writing skills on Coursera, Udemy, and other online learning platforms. YouTube is also a great place to start practicing. So, which of these writing skills do you find most rewarding in your career so far? Let us know in the comment section below. You found this video helpful, didn't you? So, thumb up and share it with someone. If you are yet to subscribe to After School Africa, this is likely a good time to subscribe. Until next time, your success matters.